Deer hunt.
I know. Yeah, there's sure a lot of activity in the air today. They're everywhere. This is Sanford, Florida, not too far from Patrick Air Force Base. And there's air activity everywhere. And I don't know, there's another one up there. I don't know if I'll be able to. I can't see because of the sun. But anyway, they're everywhere. You see them out there in the distance too, the older contrails from a little while ago. This is unusual. This is a lot of contrails. Old contrails there. Man, we've had a lot of jet traffic this morning. See that? See, 1, 2, 3 right now. I think there's one up there in the clouds. Anyway, it's pretty cool. There's another one if you look right above the roof. Another one. It sure is active today. I've never seen this many contrails at one time. Yeah. And see, these are old contrails from about 15 or 20 minutes ago. They're not too far. That's a contrail. That's an old contrail. These are old contrails. Those are old contrails. Now it looks like one's coming back this way. Is that one coming back this way, baby? Yeah, see it? Be down lower. Well, anyway. And there's another one. They're just coming, and there's another one. There's another one, baby, back there. Lower on it, coming this way. Whew. I don't know what's going on. A lot of air activity. It's beautiful. Everyone should be proud of that flag. Do not dishonor it.